Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you will be learn HTML5 canvas. What is HTML5 canvas? The HTML5 canvas element is used to draw a graphics on fly via JavaScript. The canvas element is only the container for graphics in HTML5 form. You must use JavaScript to actually draw the graphics. Canvas has several methods to drawing paths, boxes, circles, text, and adding images on it. How it is, we'll see by writing a simple canvases and applying the colors. Let's see here. See, within the body, I'm taking a code with the script. Let's see how it is. Let's take a copy of the code and write within the body here. And now let's see here the code part. Canvas is a tag we are taking an element, script tag, ID, and the width and height. A style tag I'm applying here, and your browser doesn't support if HTML tag. Means if it is in a lower browser, not in modern, it won't support your browser. And now see where the JavaScript it is what it is says that document get element by ID means it is a getting DOM object with the ID of my canvas, the canvas element ID. And now the 2D contest, get contest of 2D. The method of get contest we are calling within this object, and CTX we are loading this, and font this is Arial. Hello developer is the content is going to be filling with this canvas. Now save it and run this form. Wow, hello developer, it is displaying with the somewhat it's a blur. Have you seen here? If you want to change this canvas to text to like a hello, like a user, see here how it is. I'm making the fill and the text and making the colors and 10, 50 the sizes. You are wish to change all the options and you will check with. This is the canvas size we have given. And if you want to change the canvas size, yes, you can change the height and width of the canvas. All right. I hope it is very simple and clear with this canvas usage. Whatever you want to draw or show something more than this, you can elaborate more. All right. We'll see one more example how to apply like a gradient where using the canvas area. Now let's simply here, this is the script I'm taking straight away. And the HTML canvas. Now I'm showing a very simple quick examples. Right? Save this and run it. Wow! Within the canvas, the gradient we have seen here. See the same canvas, it is height and width. And now the document it is the same thing 2D and create linear gradient 0 0 200 0 and blue white. If you want to make it as an orange white, change the color only. Autocolor stop 0 to 1 means it is from left to right it is reading orange to white. Vice versa, you can replace it. The opposition of the directions you can make it as 1 0, it will be reverse. Read with the fill with the reaction. This is how simple you are going to be handling with all these grids. Nowadays, these grids are applying very latest and model presentation of the web pages and web browsers. All the header is applying like this, and something text area is applying the background like this. All this. You try to have more and more fun with these gradients and applying this canvas. Have a enjoy with this HTML latest features. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.